How to gain followers on Lemon8. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If you are looking to increase your followers on Lemon8, in this video I'm going to guide you on how you can do that. Number one thing you want to do in order to increase your followers is you have to first introduce yourself. You want to make sure to create a solid profile with a bio and profile picture so that people can get to know you and your brand. Share a bit about your background, your interests, and what you hope to achieve on the platform. This helps establish a connection with your audience and sets the tone for your content. Next thing you want to do is post a few pieces of content. You want to share a variety of content so that people could see your style and interest. This can help attract like-minded followers who will appreciate your content and engage with you on the platform. Next thing is you want to post regularly. Make sure to post at least 3 to 5 times a day with quality original content. Posting consistently is key to gaining followers on social media, but it's not only about the quality of the post. It is important to make sure your posts are of high quality and relevant to your audience. Now, the next thing you want to do is engage with others. Spend time commenting and liking other users' content, which is going to help you build relationships and attract more followers. Take time to engage with other users by commenting on their posts, liking their content, and responding to their messages. If you want to gain more followers, you have to be authentic. Always stay true to yourself and your interests and try to showcase your personality through your post. Last thing you want to do in order to gain more followers is to be creative. Try to think outside the box and come up with unique content ideas that would stand out in a crowded social media landscape. And if you follow all these steps properly, you will be able to gain more followers on Lemon8. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.